HACCP is a management system in which food safety is addressed through the analysis and control of biological, chemical, and physical hazards. It actually originated in the 1960s.
Really? That long ago?
Yes, when NASA partnered with the Pillsbury Company to create completely sterile, crumb-free food for the space program.
For astronauts.
Exactly. They realized that simply testing finished products wasn't enough. They had to engineer safety into the manufacturing process itself from step one.
So it is literally aerospace engineering applied to a commercial kitchen.
Precisely. In a restaurant, a HACCP plan maps the entire flow of food. Let's trace a hamburger, for instance.
Okay, let's do it.
The first critical control point is receiving. Is the raw meat delivered below 41 degrees?
Check.
The next point is storage. Is it placed on the bottom shelf of the walk-in cooler so raw juices cannot drip onto fresh vegetables?
Check.
The next is cooking. Does the center of the patty reach 155 degrees for at least 17 seconds?
Wow, 17 seconds exactly.
A HACCP plan identifies all these specific points, establishes strict limits, and creates monitoring procedures for every single item on the menu.